At the top, the temperature averages some 40 degrees. James, little trees, flowers, we'll travel over 5 drive system and the remove of 1,000 cubic yards of rock. You'll see surface boards, rock face area that indicates where rock removal. The new cabin, for the first in the Western Hemisphere, belongs to 300 largest. We're now high.
Oh, you can see perfectly.
Once the summer home, the Agua Caliente Band of Indians. Since there are many streams that flow year-round, the canyon has an abundance of vegetables, including sycamore, cotton, alder, black maple, and a great deal of wild breakouts. Car is but one of the many waterfalls fed by runoff from the mountains. During our upward journey, we pass through a variety of different lifestyles, ranging from the Sonora Desert to the Alpine Plain. It's a little like making a motor trip from Mexico to Alaska. We believe this is the only place in Southern California where this change occurs. As we approach tower number 2, top of the tower, you can see a 16 by 16 foot yellow helicopter platform used during construction and now used during the transmission period. Additional platforms will be seen on the remaining towers further along our journey. As you no doubt have already noticed, we experienced a swinging motion as the tram car transition track cable. Both the towers saddling back to the track cable. This motion resulted in the car moving from the
We did the canyon.
tower and back.
Walked it.
Gorgeous. It was a 2-mile hike.
The original tramway was designed and built by the Von Loh Company of Bern, Switzerland, and all moving parts and cables are Swiss-made. The towers are American-made. There's a total of 27 miles of various sized cables in support, movement, and communication. They weigh just under 9 pounds a foot, with each of these track cables 13,500 feet in length, therefore weighing totally 61. The halfway point on our trip is reached between towers 2 and 3. This happens after the journey. While it appears that the downward car is traveling much faster than we are, it's actually moving at exactly the same speed. It must, because both cars are tied together by the hauling cables, which move with the car. You see, the drive system at the Valley Station is pulling that car down, and in turn is pulling us out. The two cars are 34 feet apart in fact. The Palm Springs aerial tramway was first conceived in the early 1930s by a young electrical engineer who to this day is known as the father of the tramway. The original tramway was completed in September 1963 after some 26 months of construction at a cost of $8.5 million, all finished with the sale of revenue bonds in April of 1990. On rolling tramways to undertake the construction and installation of new rotating tram cars, one of which was arrived at a total cost, well, just as in the very beginning. No tax dollars were used, and the cost of construction and the operation of the tramway depends solely on its route.
Look down.
It is between towers 3 and 4 that we reach the longest is one of the most dramatic sights of our entire trip, the majestic spire of the Cathedral Rock, visible testimony of the solid granite mountains. As we continue our journey, the light zone changes become more obvious. You'll see a variety of signs: Indian, big cone, lodgepole, natural residents, high country, blue peaks, mountain lion, fox, bobcat, raccoon, and the California The smallest of the 5 towers is tower number 4, 57.5 feet high, located at an elevation of 7,576 feet above sea level. From there, you can
Sky.
Below, you will be able to see the mini desert city, California, and far south of the Sulphur Sea, off to the left. And to the right of our travel is San Antonio, 11,400 feet, the tallest mountain in California. We are nearing the end of our journey. The state park and wilderness are more than 54 miles of summer hiking trails and, in winter, many miles of snowshoe cross-country ski opportunities. This is, by the way, one of the very few pristine wilderness areas in Southern California, and has been designated moderately easy trail. Those who wish to venture beyond the mountain station, be sure to drop clothing and please stay on the trail to this magnificent wilderness setting. In the mountain station, you'll discover the Tram restaurant with one of the finest panoramic views of the West, a cocktail available, as well as a gift and apparel shop. A video of the construction renovation is shown in a small theater. From the first deep snow until spring, the Adventure Center is operating with snow tubing, snowshoeing, cross-country skiing, and rental. The center is found down a concrete trail.
All right, folks, welcome to the top 8,516 feet, 2,595 meters. As we come into the dock, we may tap the sides. Please watch your balance. We're going to drop you on the second floor where, conveniently enough, you'll find all your souvenirs and photos from below. First floor has your hiking trails. Third floor has all your beautiful viewing decks, along with 2 restaurants and a bar for those of you that just realized this is the only way back down. 9:45 is the last car, folks. If you miss it, you're camping out back outside until 10 a.m. tomorrow. Don't be late. Please do not stay on the dock out here. Viewing areas are above us. I do have to keep the dock clear and bring the next group out. Thank you so much. Enjoy.
Yeah.